right career path for every student is a challenge. How do you ensure their skills meet the requirements of tomorrow? You're their trusted guide, helping them navigate a crowded job market. You know they need more than just a job. They need a high-growth career. But where do you point them? It might seem like the most rewarding tech careers are only for those with a computer science degree. But we're here to bust that myth wide open. The road to a future-proof career is Oracle Cloud. It's a field experiencing rapid, sustained growth, creating incredible opportunities year after year. Don't just take our word for it. Oracle Cloud revenue was $10 billion last year. This year, it's expected to touch $18 billion. That's a 77% jump in just 1 year. By 2027, it's forecast to hit $32 billion. By 2028, around $73 billion. And by 2030, a whopping $144 billion. That kind of growth means one thing. Companies worldwide are looking for highly skilled Oracle Cloud professionals. Now, you might be wondering, do one need to be technical to start a career in Oracle Cloud? The answer is no. Even if you've never studied IT, you can still build a career in Oracle Cloud. People from HR, finance, and even experienced professionals in their 30s and 40s are pivoting to Oracle Cloud careers. Why? Because the technology is designed to be accessible and easy to learn. But where does one start? That's where we come in. Apps2Fusion isn't just a training platform. We're your partner in building tomorrow's tech leaders. We've done the heavy lifting, creating specialized career paths specifically for fresh graduates. Whether you're a BBA, BMS, BCom, Arts, BBM, or Science graduate, there's an Oracle Cloud path waiting for you. Those interested in finance or accounting can become Oracle Financials consultants. If you're passionate about HR, payroll, or talent management, you can become an Oracle HCM Consultant. If logistics, inventory, or warehouse operations excite you, you can become an Oracle SCM Consultant. Those with a knack for project coordination can become Oracle PPM or EPM Consultants. And if you're from a science or engineering background or love technology, you can become an Oracle OIC or VBCS Consultant. We give them the entire package, from the most basic concepts, what is IT, to advanced hands-on training in a real cloud environment. We ensure they build a solid foundation. Our expert training consultants guide each student to the best path, matching their degree and interests. Give your students the edge they need. Give them a career path that is ready for the future. Let Apps2Fusion be your learning partner. Contact us today to learn how we can create a powerful career development training program for your students. The future is Oracle Cloud. Set your students up for success with Apps2Fusion.